G'day everybody, it's Trent Klarenbach with Klarenbach Research. Today is July the 7th, 2025, and let's take a look at Oats again. Oats haven't been interesting to me. I don't get too many calls about Oats, but I do once in a while. And I think it was a couple weeks ago we published a note analysis, and I think it's time to do another one here, just because I want to remind you how the importance of this 385 level. So if you look back here, and this has got a Fibonacci level, retracement level from the high back in August of 23 down to the low in June of 24 this year. And you can see this 385 level, which is fib level, 38.2% retracement, is been acting as it's a significant level, right? Through resistance here, resistance has been acting as resistance. For quite a while, right? A few little trips above there, but those trips, those moves they failed. So from failed moves come fast moves, and look what happened. Once we've had that failed, it dropped down rather quickly. But you can see we're getting higher lows, and the price starting to compress here with the higher lows, and we broke above this trend line that I've drawn here from the candle body trend line, and it looks like it wants to test that 385 level once more. So I happen to think that if we can get above 385, then we can move up to that 410, 411 area, back to this previous, I would say, resistance here. And this has acted as resistance too, as we didn't get that's where the highest close of the past couple of years or last year was right 385 level. So again, 385, we get above 410, we get above 385, then I think we're going up to that 410 level. And then maybe even as high as 437, back to this previous, candle wick here back in May of 24. So it's possible. I do like this setup. I like that we're above this 50-week moving average. I like that it's acting as support. I like that we're testing this fib level once again, the 385 level. Each time we test resistance, that resistance gets weaker as the sellers at that level become exhausted. And this is 1, 2, 3. This is probably the fourth crack at it. So this could be the time that it breaks above 385, gets up to that 410 level, and then maybe even as high as 437. My name is Trent Klarenbach, sunny in Saskatoon. Life's good.